How to change your phone number on Domino's Pizza. Now, first things first, if you would like to do this via the Domino's Pizza on your mobile device, which is going to be the application, or if you would also like to do this via the web version using your laptop or PC, again, the process are all the same. So just go into Domino's Pizza's official website, which is going to be here. Now, at your top portion of your screen, you should see sign in and card. Choose on sign in and earn rewards for you to be able to log in into your account. Now, sign in for this order or sign in and keep me signed in, and you can also sign up using your Facebook and your Google account. Now, on the next page, just simply choose on Pizza Profile. Once you selected that, you will be redirected into your profile settings, and then under personal information, you should see first name, last name, email address, primary phone number, and password. Uh, right portion of that personal information is you should see edit button, which is going to be a red labeled edit button. Click that or tap that on your mobile device, and then go into your primary phone number, change it, and update and confirm. And that's basically it. It's how you change your phone number on Domino's Pizza.